So YouTube, what's up, man? It's been a long minute. Hello.
Hi.
YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Rodney or Bills. I don't know what I go by anymore, man. But stay tuned, man. I'm gonna tell you why I ended up quitting YouTube. Stay tuned.
In front of the millions.
So YouTube, what's up, man? It's been a long minute. Hello.
Hi.
So look, this is what happened. First off, I haven't been on here for, I don't even know the last time I posted a video. I think it was sometime earlier this year, but I stopped. You can tell that I'm out of rhythm with it because I don't even know if people say what's up to YouTube anymore. I don't even know if that's like a thing, but whatever. I've been wanting to get back on YouTube for the longest, but I couldn't. And I couldn't because I couldn't find the right content. Like, I don't do the waves anymore. You know, at this point, it's been like 2 months since I've really been on my waves or whatever. So it's already been done. It's already been constructed. So like right now at this point, we're like past that. You feel me? But I've tapped into some other things that you guys can see. I'm in a hair store. So I've recently opened up my own hair store slash barbershop. So I want to take you guys just at this new point of my journey. You know, this is where I'm at in life. I'm an entrepreneur. You feel me? At one point I thought I was just a professional waver. You know, that's what I was kind of like calling myself. But I'm not. You know, I'm a businessman. I'm about that money. You feel me? So I want to be able to show you guys how to make it. I want to be able to show you how my waves have actually made me make some money in life. So, you know, I want to be able to drop these gems and these jewels and show you my life right now, because my life is beautiful. You feel me? When I was making them wave videos, my life was really in shambles. The only order and structure that I had in my life at that time was my family first, of course, and then also barbering in my waves, you know. But sorry, my phone or my battery had died. So I know this is gonna be a quick video, but I wanted to be able to, you know, come back on here and give this another try, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of y'all been following me or have followed me, or you know what I'm saying, since I first started. So I just want to be able to show y'all where I'm at in life now. So stay tuned. You know, I definitely gonna have different content, or different content I should say, coming up. But as far as the whole wave journey, I think I'm done with it, for real. I think I'm done with it. Or at least producing content on waves. Y'all already know how to do it. Alright, so sorry about that, man. My batteries keep dying, so now I'm trying to finish this up on the phone. So I already know the content or the quality is not going to be that great. But look, all I'm saying is, all I'm saying is I'm producing new content for y'all. Something for y'all to really enjoy, be able to take home with you and grow from. You feel me? Because I've grown from the content. Or I mean, I've just grown, you know, from the waves, you know what I'm saying? So be on the lookout for new content. I don't know how often I'm gonna post, but I'm gonna post, you know what I mean? So stay tuned.
I'm not a star. Somebody lied, I got a pistol in the car.